Hello, friends. This is just a super fast little video to show you how to install Google Earth Pro onto your machine. This is for either you're taking a geography class or a geology class, maybe a global studies class that's using Google Earth Pro. So if Google Earth Pro only will work on a desktop or a laptop, it doesn't work on a mobile device. So if you've been doing your work on a tablet or on an iPhone or Android or whatnot, you'll need to go to either the library and Learning Center in Building 5. Both have Google Earth Pro enabled on their computers. Um, it is a free package, so if you're worried about that, it's a free program. We're using the Pro version because I'm going to give you some weather data. Excuse me, I've been sick. I'm going to give you weather data for you to do some weather calculations in our lab. So let me share my screen. Okay. So there's a link in your exercise, the lab what exercise. If so, we go to our lab what exercise. If you go to our lab instructions, excuse me, you can either click on the link right here. That will take you to Google Earth. You also can just Google Earth if you want to get really meta. And just find Google Earth versions. This works here too. So Earth versions. There are multiple versions of Google Earth. Again, we want to use the Google Earth Pro. So you can see this one right here that says, let me move, I've got all these little boxes on my screen. I can't see anything. Google Earth Pro on desktop. This is the one that you want. Again, all three versions are free. The Google Earth Pro allows you to import data, and I'm going to give you data for doing weather calculations. Okay, so you click on our Pro on desktop, and this is what the screen should look like. This is also what your opening screen should look like when you open Google Earth Pro. So if you were doing the lab and you didn't see this, you probably were in the incorrect version. So you're going to go ahead and just click on that. You have to accept this. So sorry. And then it's going to do its magical thing. Woo! Okay. And so once it has done its magical thing, I can show you what it then looks like on your computer. If I can find it on my desktop. Oh, I think I have to go to my menu. Go with Pro. And then when you start it up, this is what Google Earth Pro looks like upon starting. So you either can put the icon on your desktop, or if you go, it has kind of like grayed out icon is what it looks like here. I always close this. I don't want this. But this is what you should see when you first initially open Google Earth Pro, is you should see the North American continent. You should have a My Places area, a layers area over here, and a search area and a get directions area. I'm going to have a separate video that goes into how to use these features, but a lot of the emails I'm getting from people are that it sounds like you may have been in a different version. So make sure that you're in the Google Earth Pro version, and then you can start to do all sorts of fun stuff from there. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.